Here we have 2 pieces of bitter melon cut into pieces. And then next we have purple onion, if you want to chop that up. Some garlic, about 2 pieces of garlic, chop it up. And then white onion, the back end. And I have 9 pieces of shrimp here. You can cut it into pieces and then put the white onion together and just mix them. We have here mushroom powder. We put a teaspoon of it. And we have a teaspoon of sugar, a little bit of salt, about a little bit. And then you want to add some pepper into it and put it into a bowl. And then if you want to fry up all the onions and first, and then put the shrimp in, mix it together until it gets a little bit orange or reddish. And then next you want to add some water into it. Let it boil up for a little bit. If you add a little bit of water, the water itself, the soup itself tastes better rather than adding a lot. Here, once it boils, you have the remaining shrimp on. Put it on and mix it together so the shrimp won't stick together. And then put the bitter melon in. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar, about half a teaspoon of salt, and then the mushroom powder, a teaspoon of mushroom powder. You want to add some pepper into it, and then a little bit of fish sauce. And here we go. We have a finished bitter melon with shrimp soup. Wish you all the best.